Hey guys, quick video for you. If your amana dryer is not drying clothes and you're looking for a way how to fix this issue. So someone wrote here this on Reddit and maybe it's going to help you too. So pull the vent of the bag and run it and see if it dries. If it does, the vent is still blocked. So someone wrote here, pull the vent of the bag and run it and see if it dries. If it does, the vent is still blocked. And someone wrote, the author wrote here, this worked, dry vent must be still blocked. Thank you so much. So yeah, I hope it helped you at least a little bit.